Hey guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So this is my birthday weekend and I just want to take you guys through how I like to get ready for different events. So today I'm going to be going to brunch with my cousin Lola. She's super amazing and I'm just excited to be spending time with her. So let's jump right into this video. So the first thing I like to do is moisturize. This is the number 7 and it's called the Youthful Vitamin C Fresh Radiance Essence, and this is their serum. And then I'm going to go in on top of that with the Emberlice, just your basic moisturizer. So let's go ahead and get started. You only need a few drops of the vitamin C serum. So what I like to do is let the serum and the moisturizer sit on my face for about a good 3 or 4 minutes and let it really soak in. And then I like to go in with the Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Mattifier. So this primer blurs my pores and it also keeps me really matte. So my dark circles don't look that terrible today, but I do want to go in with my orange color corrector, and this is a color correcting pen by MAC and it's called Prep and Prime and it is the Peach Luster. So this is going to cancel out all the bluish grayish tones that are in my skin and make my concealer look nice and bright. So I just wanted to talk about 3 different options. I know I'm holding 4 products in my hand, but the price point on all of these are really different. So let's start with the cheapest one. This is Infallible by L'Oreal, and it gives you really nice coverage, but it's also very inexpensive. So I just want to show you guys what kind of coverage you'll get with that. So this is the concealer that I usually use for work. And once I have it where I want it, I just blend it in. So here's one layer of the L'Oreal Infallible. So let's move on to foundation. This is by MAC and this is in the color NW47. And this is called Studio Fixed Fluid. I like to do about 2 pumps. So let's move on to highlighting our face, and the types of concealer that I would usually reach for will either be these 2 by MAC, and this is called Select Moisture Cover Up in the color NW40 and NW35, or I'll reach for NARS, the Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Walnut. So I'm going to use this one today. So these are the areas of my face that I like to highlight, and then I go in with my beauty blender and I blend it out. So now I'm going to go in with the MAC Loose Setting Powder in the color Dark, and I'm going to set my face. First, make sure you get all your creases out of the way. So once that step is complete, dust off all the excess powder. So now I want to use MAC Studio Fix in the color NW46. So let's add a little blush to the look, and I'm going to use Lovejoy by MAC. So from here I like to put on my eyebrows, and of course I'm going to use MAC in the color Stud. Has a brush on this end and the product on the other end. So I just want to highlight. And the highlight is by MAC and it's called Shaft of Gold. So sometimes you can lose a lot of dimension on your face, so I just want to contour and bring some of that back. I'm going to use Ebony by CoverGirl. So I don't want to do anything that's too loud, but I do want to use this palette by Juvia, and it's the Nubian 2 palette. And I want to use this color right here. It's called Ya. So off camera, I'm going to put on some eyeliner and some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. The color lipstick I have on is Whirl by MAC, and then I put a lip gloss on top. So let's move on to our hair. Say hello. Bye-bye. Look. Bye-bye. 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 Bye 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 bye. All right, say bye. Bye guys. All right, let me finish the video and I'll be right back. So let's move on to our hair. So I started curling it with a flat iron, but I realized it's just taking way too long. So I'm going to just use a wand curler and just speed this process along. Alright, and this ends today's video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.